This is a video for our current and future customers. Internet sales are growing. We like to provide a solution for those of you who want products to be already packaged for the journey all the way to your end customers. United Pottery Saigon is providing a vast array of different items, mostly in concrete, stoneware, terracotta and fiber. From our warehouse, products are shipped by container all over the world. We supply garden centers, DIY chains, importers and multinational retail chains. Each one has different requirements for the labeling and packaging. In order to make sure that the fragile products arrive in pristine condition at the final destination, our packaging design team has to consider two main factors. First, the fragility of the item, from very delicate to moderately rugged. Secondly, the condition the package will encounter from leaving our factory till reaching the end user. Typically, this takes into account the number of points where the carton box is either manually or mechanically handled, out of the container, onto or off the pallets, in and out of various distribution hubs, to fulfillment centers before a courier service or the National Post deliver them to the doorstep of the end customer. Despite all the rough handling, we need to minimize the size of each packaging to maximize the number of products per container. Given those parameters, we decide on the best cushioning materials to ensure safe transport, least wastage, and all that at competitive prices. At our disposal, we have expandable polystyrene or EPS pads available in different density and hardness, chosen depending on the weight of the product. Pads can be sculptured easily to mimic the item's surface, or polyethylene foam pads ideal to protect flat surfaces. Also honeycomb cartons available in various thicknesses and hardnesses, the eco-friendliest material. And finally, we create an outside layer with a master carton. It has to be shock resistant and sometimes receives additional edge protection. We can choose between 3, 5 or 7 plies and various hardnesses. Once a packaging system has been designed using the above materials, it has to be tested. We follow the ISTA standard. First, we perform an in-house drop test to simulate mishandling of the carton box. Typically, a box has to be dropped 11 to 17 times from various heights, depending on the carton gross weight. The ISTA defines exactly the testing routine. Only when items survive the tests undamaged, the packaging system is approved. Especially our US customers, the wholesalers and retailers, garden centers, furniture, DIY chains, gift and flower shops, trust us over a decade with our drop test packaging solutions. They are taking advantage of our experience in packaging that is ready for internet sales. Recently, also customers from other countries are following. Currently, we deliver over 300 containers per year with products that leave our warehouse packed in cartons that withstand rough handling and pass the ISTA drop test. We can palletize the master cartons or maximize the container volume with loosen packed carton boxes. Are you ready to sell over the internet? If you are interested, please contact us to get an offer for your next container. We are here to cater to every demand and make sure to provide safe and efficient packaging solutions.